Hello and welcome to Chao. Today I'm going to show you 3 different types of drinks, and we are going to use one flavor for all these 3 types of drinks using the Thai Sala. The formula that I will show you is good for 16 ounces. So we are going to make 3 drinks, so let's get started with the first one, which is the milk tea. 4 ounces of Taiwanese tea, black tea, and then I added 1 ounce of fresh milk. So we'll start with the flavor at the bottom and the base on top. We'll use this one. That's 1 ounce. And then we're going to add just half an ounce of our half and half. Okay, so let's put about half an ounce, there you go, of our half and half. Now let's give it a good stir to create that beautiful pinkish, lighter than red color. Okay, there you go. And then for the second one, it is using a pinky latte, so the base will be milk. It's a similar procedure. We're going to put this time we're going to put 0.5 or half an ounce of our syrup. There you go. And reversing it, we're going to use 1 ounce of our half and half. Okay, there you go. Again, because both of them are the same, I can use the same stirrer or spoon. Okay, so this is for our pinky latte. Okay, and the third one is the Italian soda. For this one, we're going to put 1 ounce of our syrup. Again, 1 ounce of our syrup. And because if you want it a bit sweeter, we can add half an ounce of our golden sugar syrup. Just half an ounce of our golden syrup. There you go. And now let's give this a good stir. Now we have our base, which will be at the bottom of our cup. So I'm going to put ice for the first one, which is the milk tea. Give it a good stir at this stage. The reason why I'm stirring is I want to lift up the pink color so that it will be half pink, half whatever the next color will be. Okay? Then let's do it with the other cup. This is for our latte. Again, I'm going to give it a good stir to bring up our pink color a little bit higher. Okay, then I'm going to fill it up to the top with this. Okay, the other one. Okay, and similarly for our Italian soda, this is not milk. Let's also give it a good stir. Hopefully the color is 1/2 pink and 1/2 the other color. So again, I'll pour the cup to the top with ice, just so that it will be really nice and cold when your customers drink it. Now let's do the magic. So this one, for our milk tea, I'm going to pour our tea on top. Okay, let's do that slowly. And then let's do our latte, which is just fresh milk, fill it to the top. If you're costing it, it should be about 4 to 5 ounces of fresh milk. There you go. And then the final one is our Italian soda. I'm just going to slice a little bit of lemon to decorate our cup. Let me just slice it. Okay, there you go. And let's see if we can open this. So for those of you who are wondering if you can use 7-Up, I would say it is too sweet. So try and get soda water. There you go. I'm going to put a lime in there. Milk tea, latte, and Italian soda. So let's put our straw. I have a really beautiful red straw here. Okay, beautiful. There you have it. I have now messed it all up and we're going to try each one of them. We'll start with our pinky milk tea. Oh, I love the taste of tea and the flavor is so refreshing. It's a perfect combination. One that is probably not so popular, but you must give this a try. Now let's try our pinky latte. This one doesn't need much introduction because this is one of our best sellers and it's wow, it tastes like ice cream. Really, really nice and creamy. And the final one is our soda. No, perfect. So 3 different types of drinks using one single flavor. Now, if you don't have this flavor at home or even in your milk tea or coffee shop, you can use other flavors like strawberry or pineapple or mango. Use the same procedure, use the same proportion, and use the way that we presented it here today. I'm going to show you a video which I have taken a while back, and this is how pinky latte is done in Thailand, the authentic way. Enjoy! Absolutely phenomenal. Now, if you can practice, maybe you can also do the same thing at your milk tea or coffee shop. I'm sure you will have a queue at your door. I'll see you in my next video. In the meantime, thank you for watching and ciao for now.